I hear another siren. How much people do you need? Pretty sure it's just one person, I guess. How much people do you need? I hear another siren. Look. Isn't that enough? Look. Next thing you know, we got FBI up in here. It better be for another emergency, because I really think no one could fit. Poor bus stop over there. Bus can't even enter there. What? And more ambulance! What? I am confused. More ambulance? What? More ambulance? That's all. That's like the max. That's all you need. More ambulance? Jesus Lord. So much ambulance. I have no idea what is going on.